Good evening everyone, it's Claire from Claire's Food Haven. This evening we're going to be cooking cheeseburger loaded fries, a quick and easy meal. This will serve 2 people. For the burgers you'll need 250 grams of mince, a small onion, 1 egg beaten. And for the fries you're going to need about 500 grams of potatoes, some olive oil and some seasoning, so garlic granules would be good to use. You can also get other chip seasoning from the shop, like Cajun flavoured seasoning. 100 grams of cheese for the topping, and an optional extra, some pickled gherkins. Okay, to make the burgers, we're going to add the mince, the onion, and the egg, beaten egg, into a bowl, and give it a good mix. And we want to make 2 patties out of this, or 2 burgers. So I'm going to get about half the mix like that and just wash it down like that. Same with the other one. Okay, I'm going to store these in the fridge. Next stage is to make the fries. Show you how I do 1 potato. Peel it first. Then we want to cut it into long thin strips. So I like to do it like this, just cut it in half like that, and then cut it into thin slices. There's a bit of middle there. There we go, and then just thin slices like that, thin strips, like chip strips. Just going to cut that bit out. And then do the same with the other potatoes. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning in here. A little bit of salt and some olive oil. I've got some garlic granules here. I'm going to stir that in so that all of the oil gets onto the potatoes and the garlic granules as well. Oh, that's plenty. I'm going to add the burgers into the air fryer. Oh, that's broken up a bit. Hang on. I'm going to put the chips, or fries if you want to call them that, on the other side there. I'm going to air fry these for 20 minutes at 200 degrees. We'll see how that goes. The estimated food cost for the cheeseburger loaded fries for 2 servings. I'm also going to be serving a little salad, which I've estimated at about £2. So altogether the food cost for this meal for 2 servings is going to be approximately £6.32. I've estimated the air fryer running at 30 minutes is going to cost about 33 pence. So altogether, this cheeseburger loaded fries for 2 servings costs approximately £6.65. Everything's been cooking for about 8.5 minutes, so you can see how well it's coming on. I think it needs about a good 10 minutes now. I've got an iceberg lettuce here. I've taken off some of the outer leaves. I'm just going to cut some of it off. Make a little side salad with. Show you what I'm going to do here. I'm going to cut it like this. And pop it in the colander and give it a good rinse under the tap. Some of these tomatoes in here. Give them a good rinse. So I got inspired to make a hamburger type relish to have alongside this. So it's just some mayonnaise. A bit like when you make a prawn Mary Rose sauce, you know, for a prawn cocktail, you put mayo and a little bit of ketchup in. Whoops. And a little bit of Worcester sauce. And then you mix it all together and it should go pink. There we go. If you want, you could add a bit of mustard into this and jazz it up even more. But I'm just going to have it plain tonight like this. Maybe a little bit more ketchup in there. Oh. I think 20 minutes was maybe a little bit long for what I wanted, but do you know what? It still looks really good. Okay, now for the next phase. I'm going to lift the burgers out and chop them into little pieces. Oh, these are well cooked. It doesn't matter if they fall apart, because that's what we want. We want them to fall apart and be drizzled over the chips. So my next stage, I'm going to put the chips into this silicone tray thing, which I am going to put back in the air fryer just for a couple of minutes. We're going to put some of the burger over there as well, like that. And the rest of the burger on there. And now for the cheese. The cheese is going to go on. You could use mozzarella as well, if you prefer, or as well as the cheddar. I'm going to pop it in the air fryer just for a couple of minutes, just so that cheese melts onto everything. Oh, it's worked! Oh, wow, these are great. On this one, I'm gonna sprinkle some little bits of pickled gherkin that I've just chopped up. And there's a little bit of vinegar in there as well, which I'm just gonna do on the salad as well. Oh wow, I can't wait for this. Cheeseburger loaded fries. Okay, you can see the onion there. A little bit of chip, a little bit of burger. I'm going to put some of that relish on it as well there. And oops, a bit of gherkin. Maybe a bit of gherkin on there. Oh my! That is lovely. You know, the melted cheese with the gherkin and the burger and the relish. I'm definitely going to be making this again.